Hello class. In this example, I'm going to show you how to apply conditional formatting to one or more columns. Conditional formatting is simply the use of color coding to identify a particular range of scores or even text based on the selections you input. I like to use a color coding strategy of green is good and red is not so good. So in our example data file, we are going to take interest here in this fall local reading assessment. It's helpful to know what range or scale that your data is on. In this particular case, this is where the data dictionary comes in helpful. Our fall local reading assessment has a scale of 1 to 100% correct. And we want to denote our color coding scheme here that we're going to apply for our conditional formatting, where above 70% correct is proficient or shows mastery. We're going to make that green. And below, we're going to make it red. So we go back to our school year 12-13 data file. We're interested in our fall local reading assessment. I'm going to suggest that you don't select the whole column, because what happens is your column title will get conditionally formatted. So we're just going to select the data. And we can do this for our two columns because the scale and the benchmark are the same. So for fall and spring, we're going to make sure we're on the home ribbon here. I'm going to scroll over here where it says conditional formatting. We're going to go to the highlight cell rules, and we are going to do greater than. And so you'll see it automatically wants to find some sort of number and start color coding it. But we're interested in those scores greater than or equal to 70. In this case, they're actually greater than 69, right? And we want to make them green. So you have three options here that are pre-built. You can pick any color you want through the custom format. We're going to select green fill with dark green text. We're going to select OK. And lo and behold, there's our color coding for all scores greater than 69 or equal to 70 or greater. Now we also want to put our not so good scores in there and have them color coded red. So we're going to go back to our conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and we are going to do less than, and we will make that 70. And we're going to use the pre-built of light red with dark red text and click OK. And that's it. That is conditional formatting. Real easy to do. You can apply more than one conditional formatting rule to any column or columns worth of data. And the nice thing is, if you screwed up or you don't like it or you just want to get rid of it, you go back to the conditional formatting, scroll down, say clear rules from the selected cells or the entire worksheet. Since I don't have the cells selected, I'll just do entire worksheet, and they're gone. And that's conditional formatting.